90% of the candidates that I interviewed them fail to answer this question. What is the question? We have two computers in the same network using the same IP range connected to the same switch, same operating system, and no local firewall running on these computers. They're connected in layer 2 switches. Everything should be fine and they should be able to ping each other, see each other, but they cannot. What is the most probable cause? The answer is ARP cache. So what is the ARP? I'm not going to go through ARP in details, but ARP in short is Address Resolution Protocol. And it is in charge of mapping the IP address to the MAC address, corresponding MAC address. So every computer has its own ARP table. And whenever two computers in the same network they are going to talk to each other, they need to use their MAC address to communicate each other. And they find the MAC address of the destination using the ARP table, ARP cache that they have. So if this ARP cache has a wrong entry, means mapped an IP address to a wrong MAC address, then they are not able to communicate to it with each other. And in such a case, we have to find the wrong entry, remove it from the ARP cache, and then add a static entry in the ARP cache of any computer that have this issue. So easily using ARP command, you can see this entry in every computer, Linux or Windows, and to see the correct MAC address of the respective IP address in every system, you can use ifconfig in Linux and ipconfig in Windows.